Dear students, today we will study a very interesting story named The Bear Story, which is taken from the book An Alien Hand. Now, this story shows the lovable side of the fierce bear. According to this story, an old lady lived on the outskirts of a big forest. Once she found a bear and kept it as a pet. Now, when she found that bear, it was just starving and was about to die. So, the lady also fed the bear with a bottle. After a few years, the bear grew into a bigger and powerful adult. However, he was a friendly bear who amicably enjoyed catching cattle that were grazing. Amicably means friendly. So, this bear never thought of providing any harm to anyone. Children also loved playing with him. The bear had a really good appetite. The cook made sure to feed the bear well. Furthermore, the diet of the bear was devoid of meat and consisted of potato, porridge, cabbage, bread, and turnip. At his young age, the bear climbed the apple trees. However, he came to realize that it was not wise to climb the apple trees. Afterward, he began to wait patiently for an apple to fall on the ground. The bear received punishment for plucking the beehives. This is because he had been taught not to touch the beehive. The punishment was that he was put on chain for 2 days rather than being put on chain only at night. The lady used to visit her sister every Sunday. Furthermore, the house of the sister was on the other side of the mountain lake. Since it was difficult to take the bear through the forest, so he was in chains on Sunday. Once the old lady and her bear fell down into waters. Afterward, the bear was patted by the mistress and was provided with an apple. The bear was willing to accept the decision. Once the bear was in chains due to his mistress. After chaining him, the old lady went through the forest. However, after some time, the lady came to notice that the bear was following her. The lady did not like this disobedience from the bear. Moreover, the lady had no time to take the bear home. The lady told the bear in a very loud tone to go back. The bear was not willing to obey her. Moreover, he had also lost his new collar. Consequently, she quickly came to the decision of punishing him. The lady then hit the bear using her parasol with such a hard force that it broke into two pieces. Parasol means umbrella, which she was carrying while going to her sister's place. Now the bear then went back but took a look back at the lady, and finally she lost sight of him. On returning, the lady rebuked the bear and decided to chain the bear for 2 more days. Now she got very angry. She thought that the bear had disobeyed her. So when she went to home after visiting her sister's place, she thought that she again will punish the bear. And how she will punish her? She will chain the bear for 2 more days so that the bear could realize that what in actual he had done, and for the next time he may not repeat that thing again. But what happened? It was the different situation only. However, the cook said that the behavior of the bear was like an angel. The lady then understood her mistake, that the bear in the forest was someone else. Now, the bear story teaches us that one must always react with open eyes in order to avoid wrong decision making. So, this is the moral of the story. I hope, children, the story is absolutely clear to you. If there will be any sort of doubt, you may ping me up or you may ask me. I am always there to assist you. Thank you, children. Stay healthy, stay safe.